Welcome back. We are continuing on this journey of building 30 builds in 15 days. That is 30 web applications using LLM or AI in 15 days. Today, we're on build number one, day five, build one. That should be number nine. And today we will work on building a presentation slide generator. So let's copy this and go to favorite builder here. Uh, let's use Coin. Okay, paste, run. And it will start building, as you know. It will think about it and start building. So while it does that, I think it's this one. We're going to save this. It's a prompt. Let's go to prompt. Presentation slide generator is correct. Let's save it. Let's go see what we're building. So the platform is working on the logic behind the build. And once it has completed its logic and putting things together, then it will start to build it live as we watch. While that goes on, I would also say that troubleshooting is another video that I intend to create in order to find ways to work through anything that doesn't work. So the build has started. All right, the build is complete. So I am going to copy the script I have a download, which is even better. Now that it's downloaded, let's go find where that is. Here's a download. Let's see if I can do something else. I want it to be here. It's number 9. What did I call it? Okay, so it's a generator, presentation generator. Okay, let's put this here. And so we don't forget, let's call it index. All right, stage is set. Let's run the site and see. Looks elegant. Create your first slide deck. Okay. Slide preview, paste text here. Download. Let's take this out. Okay. Let's use a different text. Let's use this text. See what it does with this text. And generate. That was fast. It looks like it did one slide though. I want many slides, but let's see. Can I preview the slide? I cannot preview the slide. Okay, I have something that seems to work, but I want to share the link Google Slides. I don't see any templates that I can view. I do see that it created something, which is the story that I put in there, and I do not like it. So, see if we can do this again. I'm going to use the same script. And we're going to go to the other generator. Let's use DeepSeek this time. And go. So Quinn actually created it, but it's not as robust, not as functional as I would like it to be, which means either tweak the prompt or go back into Quinn and ask the machine to redo it in a different way. Either way, that falls under troubleshooting. So I plan on creating that. I will have that video somewhere else and have the link uploaded. Meanwhile, my first step in any troubleshooting will be to just take the same prompt and put it into a different LLM and run it. Either that or put it in the same LLM, the same AI, and then ask it to do it again. If I put it in the same one, I will usually change something minor. But either way, that's the first step. Just have the same machine or a different one run the same prompt again. And if it comes out to be the same kind of result, then start tweaking either the prompt or the instruction to the LLM. That is, you could put in the same prompt and then ask the machine to do something to work on what's already in there. All right, this one is ready. Let's download this. Now that's downloaded. Let's see here. Downloads. Go in. Should be the first one. Here it is. And we want it to be over here. Put this here. Since we already have an index, we just go call this index number 2. And now let's run it. Okay, it's up. It looks much more bare bone than the other one, but let's grab our story and test it out. Here's the story. Generate slide deck. Okay, much better. It generated an introduction, part 1, introduction, part 2, part 3, conclusion. So the first one, it is about the story, and the story continues. Big bad wolf. Beautiful. So now we have a slide deck presentation, and that is the end of build 1 on day 5 of our journey in building 30 web applications or 30 tools or 30 builds in 15 days. Thank you so much.